Hello, first graders, and welcome to your writing job for today. Today, let's take a look at our target skill. I can add details to strengthen my writing. So today, boys and girls, we are going to add details to strengthen our writing. What does it mean to strengthen your writing? It means today, boys and girls, we are going to make our writing better. We are going to make our writing more exciting, and we are going to use details to do that. What kind of details do you think we will add today? We are going to add adjectives to our text, adjectives to our writing to make our writing more exciting. So let's get started. So, this is my draft. Yesterday, boys and girls, we started the writing process for this story. We brainstormed ideas for our story, then we wrote our draft. So step number 1, brainstorm. Give yourself a check. Step number 2, draft. Give yourself a check. This is our draft or our sloppy copy because now we are going to write on it to make it better, to strengthen our writing. So we are going to revise our story today. Step number 3 is to revise our writing. What does it mean to revise your writing? Well, boys and girls, we are going to read through our story. And as we read through our story, we are going to look for places where we can add details, where we can strengthen our writing. So, let's read our draft together. In my town, I like to go to the market. I like to walk at the park. There is a mall in my town. My friends and I go there to shop a lot. It is fun. Alrighty, boys and girls, did you see places where I could add some adjectives, some describing words to strengthen my writing? So, with this first sentence, in my town, I like to go to the market. What kind of market do you think it is? I'm going to add an adjective here, boys and girls. I'm going to add a word, and I'm going to put Saturday, because the market in my town happens on Saturday. So I'm going to add this detail. So now my sentence reads, in my town, I like to go to the Saturday market. I like to walk at the park. Ooh, I'm going to add a detail here. I like to walk at the crowded park. This park gets a little bit crowded in the afternoon, but I get to see lots of friends at the park. So I like to walk at the crowded park. It describes what kind of park it is. Let's keep going. There is a mall in my town. What can I add to this sentence to make my writing more exciting? I'm going to tell you what kind of mall it is. There is a big mall in my town. So I'm adding that adjective there. My friends and I go there to shop a lot. It is fun. to this sentence at the end. It is fun where? It is fun in my town. So I'm going to show you that I am adding words to my sentence. In my town. All right, boys and girls, now it is time to go on to the next step in the writing process. Everyone say, oh yeah? The next step in the writing process is to edit our writing. To edit our writing. So we are going to read our story again. Yes, again. And this time, instead of looking for places to add details, we are going to look for mistakes. Because I made some mistakes in my draft here today, boys and girls. So, as we read, we are going to look for mistakes that we can fix. So, in my town, I like to go to the market. Did you see a mistake in this sentence? The doesn't need to be capitalized. It's in the middle of a sentence. So I am going to uncapitalize that letter. I'm going to make it lowercase. I also forgot my punctuation in this sentence. So I'm going to add a period. I like to walk at the park. Or I like to walk at the crowded park. Did you see my mistake, boys and girls? I misspelled a word. This says, I lick to walk at the park. We don't lick at the park. We like. So I'm going to circle it and spell it correctly. There is a big mall in me town. Did I use the correct word there? So I'm going to take that word out and add the correct word. What word should go here? My. In my town. My friends and I go there to shop a lot. Did you see some spelling mistakes, first graders? I accidentally added an extra O to the word go. So I'm going to take it out, and I forgot my vowel power in my word shop. What should my vowel power be in the word shop? Short O. So I'm going to circle it and spell it correctly. All right. So I have revised my writing. Now I have edited my writing. And tomorrow, boys and girls, we will work on the final 2 steps of the writing process. So now my story will read like this. In my town, I like to go to the Saturday market. I like to walk at the crowded park. There is a big mall in my town. My friends and I go there to shop a lot. It is fun in my town. Is this a more exciting story? All right, it's your turn, boys and girls. You have a journal entry today. You are going to write at least 3 sentences about a person that lives or works in your neighborhood. We learned a lot about different people in Lucia's neighborhood this week. Write about someone in your neighborhood. Step number 1 is to write your journal entry using lots of adjectives. Step number 2 is to draw your picture with a pencil. Step number 3 is to color your picture. life colors. So, if I am going to draw myself, I am not going to color my skin purple. Is my skin purple? I'm not going to color my hair blue, because that's not a real life color. I cannot wait to read your journals and see your pictures. Have fun, first graders.